Gawa tayo guys ng very healthy, easy to make na potato salad. So, Filipino style lang to guys. So, keep on watching guys. Simple lang ingredients guys. Potatoes, carrots, onion, at saka mayonnaise. At isang itlog. Salt, pepper. So, ihanda natin guys. Pakuluan lang natin ang mga gulay. Ang potato, carrots. Hintayin lang natin lumambot. After 15 minutes, ito na guys. So, paghalo lang natin guys. Yung chop na sibuyas. Yung itlog, boiled egg. Saka lagyan natin ng konting mayonnaise, konting pepper and salt to taste. Tapos paghaluin lang natin guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Pwede mo tong ilagay sa fridge at gawin mong snack later. So, ang sarap niya guys. Kain tayo guys. Healthy tuna snack guys. At saka konting mayonnaise lang guys. Good to sa mga seniors. And sa mga nagda-diet. So thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.